Alright, so I found this axe when me and my buddies were out riding mini bikes. And I figure I'd show you what I do when I get a tool like this. So first things, it's a Collins. It's nothing special. It still has all this labeling and stuff on it, so the handle has never been sanded. And what I do when I get one of these is I sand the handle off, because they usually come with some sort of varnish or something on it. Now that we got that done, it's got some chips in it, so we're gonna go over it. But first, I'm gonna take the wire wheel and I'm gonna clean up the head of this. Now we're gonna take it to our other wire wheel and the belt sander real quick. Go ahead and hand sharpen this. We're going to get our stone and finish this off by hand sharpening it, and then we'll go and we'll put some linseed oil on the handle. Alright, next we're going to take your stone. This thing's already smooth, so I'm not going to use the rough side. I'm just going to use the smooth side. Careful not to cut yourself. Alright, so that should be pretty well sharp there. Let's see. It's pretty good. The next thing you're going to want to do is some boiled linseed oil. It's only going to take so much oil right now, but you're going to want to come back, and put more on here in the future. Just keep oiling it up, and the handle will get better and better. It's actually much grippier this way than it is with that varnish on there. It's much easier on your hands too. Look at that. Look how nicely that cleaned up. Handle is very nice. I mean, that just works beautifully. A little bit more than that. It's a good size, actually. You do a lot with this axe. There it is. Hope you guys enjoyed.